Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're doing good out there today. I had a request last week when I did this nail design that I'll put on the screen to try it in a different color, and after I got done filming I did my right hand and it was a lot easier, or it would have been a lot easier on my left hand had I done it this way, so I'm going to show you that today. I'm going to use from Modleones Endless Purple, and before I forget, currently the codes for Modleones is not working. You need to click the links that are down below, and I have a link tree that you can actually, it's just a little website that you can actually bookmark and save all the discount codes, so if I update them in the future you can just go right down in your bookmarks of your phone, your computer, your tablet, wherever you're at, and just tap on the links and the codes are listed as well. I try to update that as much as possible. So I'm going to be using Modleones Endless Purple. I will put a link to where you can purchase these separately, perhaps in the collection as well. This was from, I believe, the Galaxy collection, if I'm not mistaken. And I have one that I won as a gift a couple of years ago. This is 1116. I'm going to see if I can find a link. Modleones cannot find a link for this, but it's very, very similar to the Diamond Gel 3552. I'll link my video up above and I'll link this down below. This one's just, when it's over clear it looks pink, when it's over black it looks green. It has more greens to it. And this one has more purples to it. So that's the difference. I'm pretty sure I won this in a Facebook group or something. I'm not really sure now. But anyways, you always have your nails prepped, clean, base coated. I'm not going to do my pinky. I'm just going to make that purple so you can see the full effect of the color over the color. And if you have where it floods into your skin, you can go ahead and cure that each finger. I guess I should have started with the design one first. Well, what I did was, after I got done filming, I went ahead and just started painting my nails. I said, you know, curing it twice, that just takes too much time. And I was, you know, plundering around trying to get things, the negative space on my nail. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Just tap on it and you'll see suggested videos from me. I was thinking, you know, it just there's got to be an easier way, right? So I actually took another day and I sat back down, did my nails, and voila, I just automatically did it in an easier way, and that's what I'm going to do. I don't know why I didn't think of this while I was filming, but a lot of times the camera's on, our brains just don't work. Trust me, especially mine. Catherine Ford and I were joking about that on one of my videos, that our brains just go away. We don't know. Like cameras just zap our brains. And I'm gonna put on the screen some of my notification squad and just some, since not everybody's able to get to me the first day that my videos are out, I'm gonna put a couple other random comments up that are really nice, just to show my appreciation to my YouTube family for sticking with me, especially when my posting schedule has not been very steady lately. Of course, if you get it on your skin like crazy me, clean it off. Sometimes a brush dipped in alcohol. So here's the magical part that I don't know why my brain wasn't working with. At least it worked with the pink from the other day. I'm gonna have to turn my hand over so I can see. I just took the brush. This is just a clean gel brush. There's not even much gel on it because it's pretty new. I just swiped it off. And I'm wiping it off onto a lint-free wipe. Then turn it around so that's the gel on the same side. And just wipe it off. I don't know why I was making it so complicated for. And I'm thinking, which way do I want this one to go? Just like a cleanup brush, just wipe it off. See? And then if you don't like it, you can just put your polish over it again and redo it. I think I'm just gonna touch this up right there. Which one was it? There it is. Okay, I'm gonna give these a cure in my lamp. And the second coat is just the same. I left a little spot so I could see on this nail because I wasn't thinking when I did that one. How am I going to see the trail? This one I can see pretty much where I went through. I am wiping off onto a lint-free wipe over here. The pink I could actually see through it. If you do it about the width of your brush, you're in better shape. So let me fix my little error there and give these a cure in my lamp. Just gonna tidy it up a little bit. When you're on film, you just really, you're trying to talk and remember what you want to say. I'm gonna give these a cure. Okay, now for the fun part. And if you can find this, it's 1116. You might still be able to find it out there somewhere. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do the color on these two. Ooh, got too much on there. Wipe off the brush. Come back and save it. And there's a little divot in this one. It's a little thinner formula than the last one that I used. So I'm just adding a little bit more because you want more color, more sparkles, and more glitters instead of just top coat. And it's clear, so it will cure right through it. I haven't had any problems. And if in doubt, turn your hand over, let it rest as long as you need to. There's no shame in that. Well, I'm gonna give these a cure, a top coat, attach a couple blings, and take a picture, and hopefully you can see the gorgeous goodness of this. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you, and I'll be me. Bye-bye.